go.
Thank you.
Oh.
They just went inside that tree.
Come.
So here's our new couch.
Make sure they're not right by each other.
Ooh, a limb just fell.
I need a black one.
Good job. Dropping off real quick.
That's your receipt code. Anything else I can do for you?
No, that's it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Oh, they just went inside that tree.
The chicken nuggets for twice, like McDonald's.
Come. Come. You see birds? Do you see birds? Come. Come. Come.
Tell him where you going. Tell him where you going.
Don't scare him. Tennyson. Come.
Smells like yummy chocolate.
What? Push down deeper. And make sure they're not right by each other. Keep going down. All right. Take some of these things out of here. Yes, take some stuff. You can just set it however you want. Thank you.
He's had some knee problems,
Yeah.
so he's not running as well as he has in the past.
Can we get it
The
out?
fastball away.
Not yet. I gotta figure out where to put all these blankets.
smells like fresh lumber.
It's this! Don't that one!
So here's our new couch. So I don't know if I mentioned, but we were getting our new couch today. The Slumberland people called us like last week and said that if we wanted them to, they could go ahead and bring our couch out, but that because of the like restrictions and social distancing, they were gonna just drop it off on the porch and they couldn't like put it together for us and everything like that, which was fine. So we've got our old couch sitting out on the curb and we were going to just maybe put like a free sign on it or something like that. And we weren't sure if anybody would pick it up, honestly, with like everything that's going on with the virus. If anything, it was sitting by the garbage. So when the garbage people come tomorrow, they would take it. If stuff's sitting next to the garbage can, they just charge you for whatever extra stuff you have sitting out there. But not long after we set it out there, a FedEx truck pulled up out front and I thought we were getting a package or something. But the guy comes walking up and says that he'd take it, that he wanted it if it was free. And I'm like, yeah, like go for it. So he said he had to finish his route and then he'd come back and get it, apparently. So hopefully he's still gonna come back and get it. I mean, he's like, you know, is there anything wrong with it? And I'm like, it's kind of old. The springs are a little, I don't know exactly what I said, honestly. But if I'm speaking honestly, the springs are horrible on that thing. Like they started bending down. They started bending like a lot over the time that we had it. It's like high 75 today, gorgeous. But I have a headache. I really like wanted to get outside, but at the same time, I feel like getting in the sun is gonna hurt my head more. So I don't know if this doesn't hurt my head more. We just got a package and it says it's for Tobias. See? I'm like, what's up with that? It says, "Hi Tobias, happy Easter, love Pappy and Grandma Jill."
I'm gonna look at it. Is it for reading?
Mm-hmm. Let's show the camera. Look at that pretty book.
Look at that pretty book.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Did you
Yeah.
get us another package?
No, you took the couch.
So fluttering.
It's lightning.
Lightning.
Uh-huh.
Doubt you.
Man. Ooh, it's getting windy like crazy.
Why is the wind crazy?
Ooh, a limb just fell. Boom, it just hit our garage.
Someone's gotta change.